watching us online or via cable or over the air in the counties closer to the Ohio River, you have a severe thunderstorm watch, and it is in effect until 11 o'clock. Nelson County, you also got Spencer, Shelby County, Henry County, Owen, Grant, Pendleton, Robertson, Mason County, all included in that severe thunderstorm watch until 11 o'clock. Don't be surprised, though, when the rest of that area of central Kentucky gets filled in. It'll really depend on the storm evolution, but everything's pointing to the fact that we should see storms going here as we go into the latter parts of the evening. Flood watch until tomorrow morning from Fleming County to Pulaski County, Wayne County, so anywhere there to the east. The areas that have been hit so hard. Max Track Live Doppler here, 617. Big storms have developed back in Illinois. We also have a tornado warning. This is just west of 275 there outside of Cincinnati. So that's in southern Indiana. So it gives you, again, the possibility. We mentioned it earlier that a brief spin up cannot be ruled out given the scenario we've got out there. So that's not all that far away. Slight risk of severe storms tonight covers just about the entire area, marginal as you look to the east and southeast, but still heavy rain is going to be a possibility. Damaging wind gusts, the primary severe weather threat that we have out there. What this graphic means, 15% chance that 25 miles from any given point, you will have a damaging wind gust. So it's not a huge chance anyway, and it covers a lot of real estate, but again, the possibilities are there. And it's also at least on the table. You have a tornado risk. We're seeing it up there just west of Cincinnati. So again, we will have to remain weather aware as we go through the night. And then you have the possibility of flooding rains. There's the risk for that. And again, tonight covers the entire area. Heaviest rains are going to be west of 127, it looks like, by the time we get into tomorrow morning. But still, heavy rain is going to be a possibility in southeast Kentucky as well. An inch or two, maybe more for some. Bottom line is you stay aware of your local situation. So here we go with the future track. Those storms will drop down out of Ohio and Indiana. There's 8:30 and those storms beginning to approach I-64. On this kind of configuration where it's a pretty broad northwest to southeast look and a straight southward motion of the entire line, you're going to get training of the cells. So that's how the locally heavy rain can become a big player in this. We're in the hours now after midnight and the line is still here. So again, we will be dealing with this well into the night tonight, into the early morning hours tomorrow. So it's one of those things we will have to keep a very close eye on. So stay weather aware. Not only severe weather threat, flooding rain threat as well. Our break in this pattern, we get one, comes on Wednesday, but boy, it's going to be hot and humid. And a normal active weather pattern, instead of these tremendous storms, we just get normal summertime storms Thursday, Friday into the weekend. Heavy rain has been ongoing now for a week. These numbers, I just keep showing you because they are phenomenal. This is also dynamically changing, so we're beginning to subtract last Monday's rain. But still, we were up to around 15 inches at the Knott Perry County line radar estimation over the last week. That is 3 months worth of rain. Tomorrow, the cold front's going to come south. One more batch of thunderstorms a possibility, especially early in the day. We'll watch that front then begin to go back north as a warm front on Wednesday. Heat and humidity will follow. For tonight, flood watch, severe thunderstorm watch also. Thunderstorms likely strong or severe storms possible. Low 70s tonight. Partly to mostly cloudy, scattered thunderstorms tomorrow. Some of them may be strong. We'll be in the upper 80s. Low 90s on Wednesday. That's our dry day. Near 90 again on Thursday. Thunderstorms likely again. Friday, locally heavy rain possible. The weekend, hot and humid, scattered thunderstorms. Keith?